Okay, here's one more video showing the negative Pbat. A concern was brought up that I perhaps wasn't using enough cycles due to an uneven number of cycles being shown on the display, so I could be skewing my results or giving me erroneous results. But here I have 20 cycles showing on the display. Therefore, this should give me a reliable average of the scope traces. So there's about 20 cycles on here. So currently we are with the current probe right tight to the CSR body, as you can see. And let's get a close-up of what our Pbat is. And it looks like about a 1.1 or so. And you'll see under the mean, it's also approaching 1.1. So that's actually an average. Okay? This value here is actually an average of this value. That's why it says mean. So this is the value, excuse me, in real time, and this is the average of this value. Okay? So now, let's change the CSR probe. Give us our 1-inch spacing on each side once again. Sure we get a good contact there. Okay, now let's have a look at our Pbat again. And it's definitely a -1 or thereabouts. Now keep your eye on the mean of that value. Since it's an average, it's going to take a little while for it to go up to the -1 or so. You see it's increasing slowly, but it'll eventually get there, and it'll stabilize right around 1. So in effect, that is taking the mean of the mean value, averaging the mean measurement that we're doing. We're nearly there. And it's just broke over 1.0 there, and I would suspect it's probably going to hover right around that area and not increase a whole lot more. Okay, so there you go. I've got 20 cycles on the display, roughly, and we're still showing a negative mean average of 1, and when we had the probe set very close to the CSR body, we had an average of close to +1. I think it was +0.9. Pretty much the same as I had in my last video. Alright.